In this video, I will show you how to change the Arc browser icon. So you can see right now mine is the standard one right here. Now if I would like to change this to a different icon, then what I can do is just open up Arc browser and click on the search bar right here and just go to settings. So once you type in settings, you will see it right here with the gear icon and you just want to click on that. After doing that, you will see your settings right here. From here, just click on icon and you can see this is the original one, which is what I have now. But you can pick any of these. For example, I'll take the colorful one. And now you can see down here that right now it's the colorful one, and I can also just change it to one of these other ones. And I think you can unlock more when you invite your friends. So if you want to do that, then click on this icon in the bottom left. And then here click on the gift. And then here, if you close settings, you will have your link that you can use to invite people to Arc. And if they then download it, I think you can also unlock other icons. But that's how to change the icon in Arc browser. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.